Welcome everyone to a very special video on our channel. Today, we gather here on a day of a great significance, World Suicide Prevention Day. It is a day dedicated to raising awareness, spreading hope, supporting those who may be going through challenging times. At Panorama, we usually delve into the world of science and discoveries, but today, in this video, you won't find experiments or facts, but something equally valuable. You will hear from 10 to 12 incredible individuals, each with their own unique stories and insights. They'll share what makes them happy, what keeps them going, and how they have found light in the darkest of the moments.
When we say life, it is full of ups and downs. And what makes me keep going every day is the gratefulness that I feel for every little things that I'm able to do. For example, like brushing my own teeth. It is such a small thing, like no one notices it, but it is so important. Similarly, if someone offers a help to me without asking, I feel grateful for that. And even if nothing good happens someday, I feel grateful for my breath. Yes, I am alive, which means there is something that has to be done by me. This keeps me self-motivated and makes me going towards my goal.
I found my happiness in my passion for photography. It gives me a sense of purpose. Photography is a world filled with interesting events, adventures, and stories. In short, it's just an exciting form of art. When I look through the lens, I see the world differently. It's not just about capturing the moments. It's about finding beauty in the ordinary and having a profound sense of purpose with each click of the shutter.
Me going on is love and support of my family and friends. They mean everything to me. My family and friends are lifetime support of mine in the journey of my life. During my darkest day, they are the unwavering support and love for me. Their presence reminds me that I am never alone in this journey.
मुझे ड्राइंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. जब भी मैं सैड होती हूँ तो ड्राइंग करती हूँ. And also I have read one thought which helped me to keep going on, and that is winners are not those who do different things, but winners are those who do same things differently. That is why I always try to be clean.
So connecting with nature gives me immense joy. Hiking in mountains, gardening, trekking. It gives me joy, peaceful mind and serenity. It makes me feel that God has painted and carved the wonderful creations for us to notice. It might seem that everything is going wrong and we are not on the right path. And when I walk into the nature, look at the skies, the birds, the rustling of trees, the aroma of flowers, everything seems good. It's like, for the time being, the world is so beautiful. Let's take a moment, appreciate ourselves, appreciate the world, and appreciate everything that we had. And what we don't have, let's not worry about it, because challenges will come and go, but this life is to be enjoyed. And to enjoy that, whenever you feel depressed, sad, just take your bike or go somewhere on the mountains.
I love dancing. It relaxes my body and changes my mood. It also helps me improve my stage fear.
मुझे ना बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनना है, तो मैं उसके लिए बहुत हार्ड वर्क करूँगी और मुझे अपने फैमिली का नाम रोशन करना है.
I practice mindfulness meditation daily. It helps me stay present and manage my stress. Mindfulness meditation has transformed my life. It's not only about escaping reality, Rather, it is about being fully present in each moment. It's my anchor in stormy seas and helps me navigate through life's challenges.
Exercise has been a game changer for my mental health. It releases endorphins and boosts my mood. Sweating it out at gym or going for a run is my therapy. The rush of endorphins washes away the clouds of worry, and I emerge feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready to face whatever comes my way.
I love reading story books. स्टोरी बुक्स पढ़ के मैं एक अलग ही दुनिया में चली जाती हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है. It relaxes my mind and it also helps me to be at peace. Reading story book is one of the most important part of my life.
I pick up a brush, it's not a art, I'm expressing the color of my soul. Art therapy has been my passion, where my emotion find a voice and my pain turns into something beautiful.
Being around positive people is what encourages and motivates me, so just live in the moment and keep growing.
Life is a journey and not a cat race, right? And that's why a lot of musicians say that safar suhana hai manzil se bhi. Now let me simplify for you all. What does that mean? That means that your journey is way more important. The process that you are involved with, embrace each and every bit, right? Instead of worrying about what your destination would be or what your result would be, enjoy, embrace, with enthusiasm, of course. Focus on the progress and not perfection, at least in the initial stages. Once you start loving your journey, automatically your destination would be executed in the desired way you wished for. At this point of time, I've realized that life is full of ups and downs. You're gonna see the brighter side as well, and there would be moments when you need to see the darkest and the hardest time. But then I feel that these things are like part and parcel of your life, and you need to deal with it. Keep moving forward, and you will definitely find happiness along the way. Thank you. I hope you liked this video, and if you really did, drop a like, leave a comment, share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.